Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we're talking about your Squarespace website, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you restore or recover a page that you deleted in your Squarespace website? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too much to go over, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to restore or recover a page that was deleted in your Squarespace website anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you take on new VAs who have no idea what they're doing, and once in a while they might delete one of your Squarespace pages. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Squarespace editor. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I've already logged into my Squarespace editor, and this is the home page. Now, in order to recover a page that was deleted in your Squarespace website, what you want to do here on the left side is click on Pages. Okay, I've already clicked there. One thing I want to let you know is that this only works if the page was deleted less than 30 days ago. Unfortunately, if it was deleted more than 30 days ago, the page is gone forever. Now, if the page was deleted recently and you want to recover it, here on the left menu, you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom and you're going to see this button here called Trash. Click on there. Okay, so here are the pages that have been deleted. So what you're going to do is just go ahead and look for the page that you want to recover or restore. So for example, this one right here. Once you hover over the page in order to recover it, click on this button here called Restore. All right, once you do that, it's going to give you a pop-up asking you to confirm if you want to restore or recover this page in Squarespace. Go ahead and click on Confirm. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes, and as you can see right here, the page that we had deleted has now been recovered, and we can go ahead and go into it and start editing. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to recover or restore a page in your Squarespace website that was deleted, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.